All right, so how can I help you guys? You said you had trouble installing the car
We
seat?
had to buy a new car seat.
Okay.
Because she's outgrown this, and I don't know how you fasten this one in with the
Gotcha.
seatbelt.
Let me take a look at it. This our anchors? Yeah, this is our anchors, so we need to get these out.
Okay, so the anchors, now, them are the ones that we'll need to put in my car, right? Do they have
Well,
to-
these are movable, so you can put these in. You can put these in every car because all modern cars nowadays
Okay.
come with these little. You see these little buttons down here? It has that little child seat symbol.
Oh, no.
There's like a little metal bar in there that
Okay.
these clip onto. It just gives it more stability.
Okay.
I've got the anchors in the right slot, so if you take it off, it'll be a lot
Okay.
easier now. Because you just go in and they're like little pinchers. You just pinch it and pull it off the anchor.
Okay.
And then all you do is put the seatbelt through that
Okay.
slot right there. So you just pull out the whole seatbelt as far as you can. You push it through that slot right there. You bring it to this slot. You connect it in, and then just get rid of this extra slack on the seatbelt to tighten it down.
Okay.